How to find shopper activity extends logout duration settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser and now once you're here click settings and then scroll down until you find security and privacy, or you can just type it here and you will find it. Click on it. Now here we'll find shopper activity extends logout duration. Now you can turn it on or off, and that's it. You can enable it or disable it, then just click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.